Hi everyone, I'm Samatya from Bodsphere. So this video is all about shoulder strength and mobility. We must increase our range of motion. So along with the strength, you also need good mobility and flexibility. So let's take a break from different tasks in our life and just focus on releasing any kind of shoulder tension that we have got. So let's get started. So let's all sit in the cross-legged position in Sukhasana. You can rest your palms on your thighs close to the knees, and let's start rolling our shoulders. Backward rotation of the shoulders. Let's open up our shoulders today. And once you are done with around 10 repetitions, let's reverse the direction now. So throughout the session, you have to make sure that you keep smiling. Yes. So forward rotation of the shoulders. Let's get rid of any kind of tension in our shoulders. And you may relax. So we are going to make use of the yoga block for increasing our mobility of the shoulders. So how to do that? So you have to keep your yoga block in front of you, and now you have to just keep holding on to it. So the yoga block is right in front of you till the shoulder level, and from here itself, as you inhale, lift your arms up, and as you exhale, you may come down. Let's do it a couple of times. So you will feel a very good stretch in your shoulders. If you don't have the yoga block, you can make use of any pillow or any weights. Yes, or maybe some book. We have a lot of substitutes back at home also. And let's relax. So I will be demonstrating from this side also, so that you get to see the movement. So let's keep our yoga block in front of us. You can keep holding on to the yoga block or anything that you have back at home. And as you inhale, lift your arms up, shoulders and the arms completely in one line. And as you exhale, bring it down once again. So you can do it for at least 10 repetitions before you move on to the asanas for the shoulders. And let's relax. So now we will be moving on to the flow of asanas, in which we will be targeting our shoulder strength and mobility. So we are going to begin from the downward facing dog pose. So let's get started. Keep your spine engaged. Keep your hamstrings and calf muscles completely straight so that your heels are touching the floor. Keep inhaling and exhaling in the downward facing dog, and keep pushing your spine in towards the floor. Take your attention towards your breath while you are in the pose. And from here itself, let's come in the palm plank position, in which your shoulders are in line with your palms. Let's stay over here for a couple of seconds. So you have to keep smiling throughout the session. You have to remember that no pain, no gain. So just keep smiling. And from here itself, let's relax our toes on the floor. Let your body drop and let's look up in the upward facing dog pose. So you have to make sure that your body is hanging up in the air. It is not touching your thighs, your shin bone, your knees. Everything is off the ground. And from here itself, let's come in the downward facing dog. Keep inhaling and exhaling. No need to retain your breath in this position. And let's come back into the palm plank. After staying here for at least 10 seconds, as you inhale, let's go into the upward facing dog pose and let's look up. Your shoulders are rolled back, your chest is pushed out, your pelvic region is pushed towards the floor, and keep breathing normally. And from here itself, let's come into the mountain pose. Keep pushing your spine in. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and the calf muscles. And from here itself, let's come into the dolphin pose. Adjust your feet as per your height. Your forearms are rested on the floor. Your elbows are on the floor. Feel the stretch in the entire body. From your spine to your legs and the shoulders. And from here itself, let's come back into the mountain. Straighten up your arms. And let's come back into the dolphin once again. One of the best ways to work on your shoulders. And straighten up your arms. Once again. And from here itself, let's place our knees on the floor. Hips touching the heels. Arms are completely extended in front of you. Head onto the floor. And lift your body up, lift your hips up, and the right arm goes below the left arm. Feel the stretch in your shoulder. Stay over there for a couple of seconds. And let's move on to the opposite arm. So the left arm goes to the right side below the right arm. Your hips are off the ground. And let's come out of the position and let's stretch our arms in front in the puppy dog pose. Keep smiling throughout the session. And let's come up. Let's come in the tabletop position in which our shoulders are in line with the wrist. The knees are in line with the pelvic region. And let's place the left palm behind our head. And let's start swinging our body. up and down. So you will feel the stretch in the thoracic region, in your cervical, and of course in your shoulders also. So you have to keep looking up as your head goes up. And let's move on to the opposite arm, right palm behind the head, and let's start swinging. And slowly relax your right palm. And let's stretch our arms once again in front of us. Relax the entire body.